A quick 2-minute video on how to create and set up your Facebook Ads Manager. First of all, you should have your Facebook page and Meta Business Manager set up already. If you have not, refer to these 2 videos on how to do so. Links in the description. Now go to your Meta Business Manager account. You can navigate directly to your Business Manager by inputting this URL. Select your Business Manager, click on Add Accounts. Click on Add and you will see 3 options. If you have an existing ad account that you have ran ads on before, click on Add an Ad Account. You will need the ad account ID, which is the number that appears next to your ad account name. You will also need to have admin access to the ad account you want to add. If you want this business manager to have access to an ad account but not to own it, click on Request Access. You can either enter the ad account ID to request access or ask the ad account admin to add in your business manager. This option is typically more for agencies or freelancers, so if this is your own business, you can simply ignore this option. If you do not have an existing ad account, click on Create a new ad account. Enter your ad account name, time zone and currency, select My Business, click Create. The last thing you want to do is click on your ad account, follow this arrow sign, View Payment Methods. Click on it, go ahead and add your payment method. This is where Facebook will bill you for any advertising budget spent on this ad account. Most new ad accounts will not have the ability to change payment threshold, as Facebook does not want you to default after spending a large amount of ad spend. After some time of building credit score, Facebook gradually allows you to increase the payment threshold. So don't be surprised if Facebook starts charging you for every $5 that you spend on your ad account. This is also the page where you can download Facebook invoices. Once you're done, go back to your Business Manager page and click on Open in Ads Manager, and you are ready to create your first campaign.